Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Characteristic of Islamic financial industries Murabaha. We are doing Murabaha in our Islamic banking. Number 1. A simple sale purchase transaction. Number 2. Price is fixed from the day 1. Yani when we are selling this thing, first we have to fix our price. Yani I will put price tag that the price of 1 kilo black pepper is 20 dirham. LPO addressed to Islamic financial institutions. What is LPO? LPO is local purchase order. Goods are delivered on spot. Price may be on spot or deferred. Goods in all cases should be delivered on spot. Goods are here, but price may be on spot, may be deferred. It's up to you. And you remember this, when price is deferred, what its name is? Bay'ul ajal. Bay' al ajal or bay'ul ajal, this is the same. But the important word is ajal. Ajal means time. Bay'ul ajal, when price is deferred. So remember these terminologies also. And the purchaser know the cost price. What you can say in other word? And the purchaser know the profit amount, because the total sell price is the combination of two things: cost plus profit. If we know cost, we know profit. If we ask about profit, we know the cost price. We will only deduction. So the purchaser know the cost price, or the purchaser know the profit amount. And following the sequence is very important. And inshallah in coming slide you will see what is the sequence of Murabaha. Types of Murabaha in Islamic financial institutions. Currently we are doing 3 types of Murabaha. Auto Murabaha, which is in conventional bank auto finance. Goods Murabaha. In conventional there is no goods Murabaha, but they have product, like for example if you need furniture to your home, or you need furniture to your office, or you need some computers or laptops for your office, or you need any machinery for your office, this is called goods Murabaha. Number 3, commodity Murabaha. And inshallah in coming slides one by one will discuss auto Murabaha, goods Murabaha, commodity Murabaha in detail. Don't worry about this. In 3 of these Murabahas, price may be on spot, 1 bullet payment, or installments. Price on spot is very simple. You are taking goods and paying price, nothing else. Khalas. 1 bullet payment means you are purchasing now, but you will pay the total price after some time. Like for example, after 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, 2 years, whatever the time is. but the total price will be one bullet payment and you will pay later on. Or installments. The total price is divided in equal installments and you are paying installment daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, 6 month, half a year or yearly. Whatever you are agreed, yani both the parties are agreed. So in price you are free, but goods on spot. Remember this red line. Not allowed in gold, silver and cash. Because in gold and silver you cannot take any advantages of time. Gold to gold, silver to silver, cash to cash must be exchanged on spot and hand to hand. No excess, no extra, no different amount. So, there is no one product. There is nothing in our Islamic banks playing with gold, silver and cash. We are not doing business in these three areas. We are not doing Murabaha in gold. Like for example, bank will not sell you gold on deferred payment. Bank will not sell you silver on deferred payment. Bank will not sell you cash on deferred payment. Like in conventional banks, they are giving cash and they are charging interest on this cash. And if you remember, I explained before in previous slides that cash is equal to gold and silver, because cash and gold and silver in fact gold and silver are cash. But now we considering these notes, paper notes, as cash, while paper note is only a receipt of cash of gold and silver issued by the guarantee of central bank. So cash is equal to silver and gold, yani gold and silver are cash. So there is no Murabaha in gold and silver. In Islamic financial industry, we are not doing any business with gold because still we are avoiding, still we have no such product to be on spot. Like this area goes to exchange or forex, but as I told you before in previous session that still there is no Islamic exchange and work is going on this, and we are searching the solutions and to be on perfect way, inshallah. Types of normal sell are types of Murabaha. If the buyer asked for cost price or for profit margin, then there are two types. Price is paid on cash, on spot, yani cash payment, or price is deferred. But again remember, these all things not allowed in gold and silver. So if the price is deferred, the payment is deferred, goods on spot, what this called? Bay' al-ajal. Now this Bay' al-ajal or payment of price may be one bullet payment, or installments, monthly, weekly, yearly, quarterly, whatever it is. But if the price paid on spot in cash, one payment, this is simple Murabaha, there is nothing else. So, in short, Murabaha is a sale purchase transaction, but if the buyer asked for cost price or for profit margin, price may be on spot or deferred payment or deferred price, maybe one bullet payment, maybe installment. Current Murabaha is the combination of two things what we are doing in our Islamic banking sector. Current Murabaha is the combination of Murabaha plus Bay' al-Ajal. Murabaha plus Bay' al-Ajal. And we name it Murabaha bil Thaman al-Ajil. In English, we can say Murabaha with deferred payment. Is it clear? Current Murabaha in Islamic banking is the combination, the compound structure of two things, Murabaha and Bay'ul Ajal. Why it is Murabaha? Because all clients, they need to know the cost price or to know the profit portion. Why it is Bay'ul Ajal? Because bank, the seller is giving you option, facility to pay price in installment or a bullet payment. And this combination, they name it, and this is new terms in our Islamic fiqh, Murabaha bi-Thaman al-Ajil. Thaman means price, Ajil mean deferred, Bil with, Murabaha with deferred payment, with deferred price.